Hello, E-Monkeyians. Today we are doing another piece of the Miss Freddy Krueger series. This is the third parter, and this is of the shorts. I hope you enjoy. These are machine washable in cold water, easy detergent, and they can go in the dryer as long as you do all this inside out. So, without further ado, let's get started. Things to start with that you will need: a pair of shorts that fit you really well, pink tulip fluorescent slick paint, tulip fabric dye in black, if your shorts aren't already black, mark Vegan to mark where you're going to cut your shorts, and a paintbrush and tub, but I found a better trick later, and also a pair of scissors. Pre-mark where you're going to be cutting your shorts. Now you have to cut them into booty type shorts or where you're the most comfortable, because she has them way up her booty, but that's okay. I'm gonna cut it to where I'm most comfortable, and be sure to try this on a couple of times and just trim off a little bit on the edges, more in the back than the front. Now that that's done, she has two cuts on her side pocket, so just cut two cuts there, and these will fray later. Now on to the dyeing process to turn them black. Use your fabric dye. Now be sure to follow all of the instructions on the back. This is what I meant by basic accessories that you're going to need at the beginning of the video. I'm showing you that you're going to need a dye pot, some type of spatula or something to turn that you will not use for any cooking or anything, and also you need a gallon of water. So fill it to the top, and then let's pour it into the pot. Now you're going to put it on the stove on high, but you're only going to let it go up to almost a boiling point. More like steam. Do not let it get to the boiling point. And of course, do a little dance while you're waiting. Now that we got it to a steaming point, put on some gloves while you're handling this stuff, and put in 4 tablespoons of pure salt. Fabric dye really loves salt. Now put in your fabric dye and stir up the mixture really well, because you don't want it all to settle in one spot. Now throw your shorts in and set the timer for 15 minutes and stir continuously until done. After that, you're going to stop and do it only for 45 minutes and come back and stir every 15 minutes. Now to rinse off the shorts. Empty it out and clean it the best you can in cold water. Then after that, throw it into the washer and dryer and use light baby detergent or free detergent of some sort. Now for the most tedious process, you're going to paint every single little tiny stitch that you see on your shorts. You're going to paint them to pink. It's either that or you go over them with sewing. I suggest you paint it over with the pink. I found out later that the applicator tip is actually easier to use than the paintbrush, so I'm going to show you the first method with the paintbrush if you want to go that route, but on the back I do it with the applicator tip. And I'm going to be skipping in this video to where it's practically done. There's the front. Now let's move on to the back. And like I said, I used the applicator tip this time. It was a lot easier, trust me. And be sure you let each side dry for at least 4 hours. Throw it into the dryer for a heating treatment after we get done with the tag. Trust me, you're gonna thank me later. And her shorts were naturally frayed, so we got our frayed shorts from earlier. Yay! Now for the tag, get some white pleather type material and cut out a square. And then just literally use some black tulip paint of some sort and write Freddy vs. Jason on it, because that's what she has on hers. And then all you need to do is bobby pin it to the shorts and sew it up, And right there's the shorts. Now remember, throw it in the dryer for 1 hour for a full heat treatment inside out. And you are ready to go get some soles. Some fresh soles. Yay! I will see y'all next week on next Tuesday, so happy cosplaying. Thank you for watching. Please hit like and subscribe.